Hey guys, what's going on? It's HotDiecast Garage, and today we're gonna open up the brand new pop culture Marvel Studios set titled The First 10 Years. Number 1 out of 5 in the Hot Wheels Marvel Studios set is the Volkswagen Deluxe station wagon based on Iron Man, which makes sense because the movie Iron Man released in 2008, making it the very first movie in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. The second car from the first 10 years is the Hot Wheels vehicle Combat Medic based on the movie Thor, which first released in 2011, and the card art features an epic battle between Loki and Thor. Number 3 out of 5 in the Marvel Studios lineup is the very cool Hot Wheels bike 3D Livery based on one of the most epic Marvel movies of all time, The Avengers from 2012. Hot Wheels number 4 in the first 10 years set is the Super Van based on the Avengers Age of Ultron from 2015, featuring an intense battle between Hulk and the Iron Man Hulkbuster. And last but not least, car number 5 from the Marvel Studios set is the 66 Dodge A100 with concept art based on Captain America Civil War from 2016. So there we have all 5 of the pop culture Marvel Studios Hot Wheels vehicles, and my favorite has to be the Iron Man Volkswagen Wagon, but let me know your favorite in the comments below. And if you guys want to see more Hot Wheels unboxing videos, be sure to subscribe here at HotDiecast Garage, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you soon with more new Hot Wheels.